Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about natural sources of energy. Among first coming solar energy. Which are the natural sources of energy? That the natural sources of energy are the sun, wind and water. And among first coming the solar energy. Solar energy means the energy that we are getting from the sun. That we call it as solar energy. Sun gives us heat and light energy. That energy that we are using. Heat energy and light energy. And that two energies are called the solar energy. Plants preparing their food with the help of sunlight, then carbon dioxide and water. These plants we are using as food. So we directly or indirectly depend on sun for our energy purposes, isn't it? So that food gives us lot of energy. Whatever food we are eating, from that food we are getting energy. So directly or indirectly we are depending on sun. Indirectly we are depending on sun. How? This way, that plants preparing their food with the help of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? It's the preparation of food by the plants with the help of sunlight, heat and water is called photosynthesis. With the help of this they prepare their food, and this food we are eating as our food, and through that food we are getting energy. So in that way, directly or indirectly we are depending on sun for our energy. So that is about solar energy. And other energy, that means nowadays we are using solar energy for cooking and all. Solar cookers are there, solar panels are there. In that solar energy is converted into other forms of energy. Through that we are using solar cookers and all. So that's about solar energy. Next coming wind energy. Wind energy. Wind energy. That is moving air is called the wind. That wind has some type of energy. That energy, that means which type of machines that energy converting. This wind means. Wind means converted that wind energy to run wheat grinding machines, then pump water and produce electricity. In that way we are having in India a lot of wind farms are there, windmills are there. From that windmills we are producing electricity and we are pumping water and we are producing, so we are running wheat and grinding machine. So wind also has some type of energy, so that also we call it as wind energy. So that is the other source of natural energy. Okay. Next coming water energy. Water energy. When water flows or falls from certain heights, that water, that running water produces some energy. What is that? When water that falls from certain heights, that running water produces electricity. That concept is using for producing water energy. That water energy we are used to produce electrical energy, electricity. Have you seen dams and all? In that dams, they are producing electricity. That type of electricity through running water we call it as hydroelectricity. From the running water's energy we are producing electricity. That electricity is called the hydroelectricity. So that is also another type of natural energy. So which are the three natural energy we learned here? The solar energy, wind energy and water energy. Next coming fuel energy. Fuel energy. What are fuels? Fuels means these are the substances that produce energy when it is burned. When it is burning, at that time it produces lot of energy. So this energy also we are using for running vehicles and all. Fuel energy. Fuels are substances that are burned to produce energy. Examples of fuels are coal, gas, oil, and petrol, diesel. These are called fuels. When it is burning, it produces energy. Coal, gas, oil, petrol and diesel are the examples of fuels. And these fuels also produce electricity, that we call it as fuel energy. This fuel energy we are used for running vehicles and running many machines and all. Okay. And these fuels are used for cooking food, running vehicles and for many other purposes. Okay. These fuels are called exhaustible. Exhaustible. E-X-H-A-U-S-T-I-B-L-E. Exhaustible means it will finish in the future. It will finish in future. That we call it as exhaustible fuels. So we should use it wisely. Okay. Otherwise it will finish in the future itself. Okay. So that's about fuels. Then coming energy from the food. That you know that from the food only we are getting energy. With that energy we are doing our work. So all living things need energy. This energy they are getting from the food they eat. Food contains chemical energy. Food contains chemical energy, and this energy we are converting it into food energy. Food contains chemical energy and we are converting after digestion. This chemical energy will converted into mechanical. When we are doing the work and all, this chemical energy is converted into mechanical energy. That's about the food energy. Conversion of energy is there. That means from the one form we can convert it into another energy. That means chemical energy we can convert into electrical energy. Chemical energy we can convert into mechanical energy. Okay. And this type of conversion is possible in energy forms. Different energy forms. Energy can be converted. That means the energy can be changed from one form to another. That is known as transformation of energy. Transformation of energy. What is transformation of energy? Energy can be changed from one form to another. That is called the transformation of energy. Can be changed from one form to another. That we call it as transformation of energy. So we can convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, chemical energy into mechanical energy and all. So one energy form we can change into another. We can convert it into another form. For example, in batteries, chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. And in fan and other electrical appliances, we are converting electrical energy into mechanical energy. And in tube light and light also, electrical energy is converted to heat and light energy. And in radio, this electrical energy is converted to sound energy. So from one form to another we can change the energy. Okay. So that much today, children. That is the end of this lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.
Energy produced from natural sources. Solar energy. Radiant light and heat energy produced by the sun is called solar energy. This energy is vital for the survival of living things on Earth. Additionally, this energy is now being harnessed to create electricity and heat to run gadgets and appliances. Many people get solar panels fitted onto the roofs of their houses that trap the solar energy and convert it into electrical energy to light up their homes as well as run ACs and fans. Working of a solar cooker. The solar cooker has a panel that traps sunlight and converts it into heat energy for the purpose of heating water and cooking food. Water energy. When water falls from a height or flows, it contains water energy. This energy is harnessed to create electricity with the help of machines like turbines and generators in hydropower plants. The electricity thus generated is called hydroelectricity. When water energy from tides is used to generate electricity, it is termed as tidal energy. Wind energy. Wind is moving air and contains wind energy. This energy is used to produce electricity through windmills. India is the 5th largest producer of electricity from wind turbines in the world. Conversion of energy. Energy changes its form from one type to another. This can be understood with the help of the following examples. The green plants trap solar energy and convert it into food, that is chemical energy, by the process of photosynthesis. The electrical energy of a hot plate is converted to heat energy that boils the water for tea. The chemical energy in food converts into muscular energy in the cyclist. Mechanical energy of a waterfall is converted into electrical energy in a hydroelectric plant. Renewable energy and non-renewable energy. A source of energy is renewable when nature replenishes it continuously. Sources of energy such as wind, that is wind energy, water, that is water energy, sunlight from the sun, that is solar energy, are all renewable sources of energy, since their sources are not exhausted in nature. They provide us the form of energy which is ecologically friendly or eco-friendly, as they do not create any kind of pollution. These forms of energy are also referred to as alternate forms of energy. Many sources are non-renewable, which means that they cannot be replenished. Fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, natural gas, diesel and kerosene are examples of non-renewable sources of energy. These sources of energy should not be wasted, since they take millions of years to form.